I'm back after the cookies baked, and I took one out of the oven just to show you guys. I only took one of them, and right now I'm just going to put red frosting with some black dots and some cookie googly eyes. They kind of work for both, all things like cookies, cupcakes. Yeah, they work for everything, but yeah. And my sister's just going to be unloading things, so I hope you don't mind her, and I'll try to speak louder. Okay, first we got the red. Gotta open that. Okay, I finally got the red frosting opened, and I'm just going to apply it. I'm just going to start from the middle and just do a swirl. Like that. I am not the best at this. That's something that I hope we can all agree on. Swirling the outside. Okay, I'm gonna go get a knife. Thanks, I was actually gonna get a knife. I was actually gonna ask you, can you get a knife? And I just put the frosting on, and I'm just going to smear it everywhere, every single where. Okay, now that I'm done smearing. Oh, that is sweet. That is the perfect thing we're looking for. Sometimes my cookies are not. Sometimes my cookies are not sweet. Next, Mommy!
I'm sorry.
No. No. I just opened the black, and I'm just going to put dots. Dots. Ooh, that was a good idea. Thanks, Lynn. She actually had the idea. Wait, did we get marshmallows?
No.
Dang it.
Why?
Cannot believe Mommy did not give marshmallows. They're 99 cents. Even I would pay for that, and I do not like spending my money because I'm not a grown up yet.
Can I go and do you know what?
Shush. Now I'm finished with applying the sprinkles. It was a good idea to shake it first. That was a good idea. I just did. And I'm just gonna, close everything. Okay. And finally I'm going to add these eyes. Hi, dudes. Hi, dudes. Hi, dudes.
The way you just open them.
Hello, dudes. This is so hard to open.
They can help you.
Lynn, stop talking! This is so hard to open. Oh my gosh. Dude.
Yeah, I'm not going to do that.
Get some boots. Oh no, my scone is ruined. Just joking, it's not a scone. Anyway, just leave it there. I'm just gonna get 2 eyes right there. Googly, googly, what if my eyes were... Okay,
Just
stop
do it again
messing around. Whoa. Then move. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to just add them right now. Right there, one. I'm adding them. It looks so funny. Adding the googly eyes, Mom. This is a fail.
Oh, that looks pretty.
Wait, the eyes.
Push it in. Oh, that's good.
Looks like its face is as I said, looks like its face is melting off. Look. Anyway, I hope you like that.
Okay, that's even more sad.
I hope you like that. Please give us a thumbs up and keep on watching our videos. That helps with our channel so much.
And subscribe.
And subscribe. Bye.